A simple homemade cake dough push and cut machine. Using DC 12 volts motors. The first timer is used to run the pushing motor. The pushing motor is taken from a car's wiper motor. And the second timer is used to run the cutting motor. The motor is the car's power window motor. The project start with Arduino timer example as shown here. By clicking File, Examples, scroll to the Arduino timer. Then click on the blink code. The code then displayed on the screen. The example code then is tested on the Arduino Uno board. To see the built-in LED is blinking with 1000 milliseconds periods. In order to get a more precision timer, then change the time to 100 milliseconds. And let's see the difference. Next, the code is modified to run two motors with a difference time as shown here, to imitate the need of the food machine to push and to cut the cake dough. Now we will like to see the countdown counter for both timer on the serial monitor. Then the application of the codes on the motors.